Nicole, here with another really fun art project that I cannot wait to share with you. You might be able to tell I'm not in our classroom. Are you guys in the classroom? I don't think so. I'm actually in a different state than you might be in right now, which means the weather outside might be a little different for me and for all of our friends than it is for you. Today it is bright and sunny, but somewhere else it might be cloudy and rainy. So today we are going to be making a really fun cloud puppet. What we are going to need is some construction paper cut into little strips. I used all the different colors of the rainbow for mine. If you don't have construction paper, that's okay too. We also can just take a white piece of paper, some colored pencils, markers, crayons, whatever we have, and just draw what you can. Next we're going to need a little cloud cut out. Very pretty. Some scissors, some glue, and some cotton balls. Woohoo! And definitely we're going to need our mommy and daddy's help. What we are going to do first is take our cloud cutout, put some blue dots all over the cloud. So it looks a little like this. You see my purple dots? And then we are going to take our cotton balls and just stick them right on those blue dots. Feel free to add some more glue when you need to, okay? And ask for mommy and daddy's help. Once you are all done gluing, you're going to have something that looks like this. What we're going to do next is take all the strips that you either cut out or drew, and you're going to glue them wherever you want coming out of your cloud. When everything is put together, it might look something like this. I put mine very close together, but yours doesn't have to be like that. Get creative and do whatever you want. I also, optionally, cut out a little raindrop. If you don't have cutout and glue, you can also just take a white one and draw all over it. This way, it looks like it's raining outside.